Anyone telling you to use ripe bananas to make chips is not telling you the truth. The secret to the ultimate crispiness is raw bananas.
First, put on glove.
I had to experience failure twice using ripe bananas before finding these green heroes are what hold the key to our crispy success. Start by peeling raw bananas. Use a glove if you want to avoid sticky gum. Those sticky gum gets on everything including your table. If you don't want to clean up messy sticky gum on your table, cover it with old newspaper before you start. Secret number 2 is cutting as thinly as possible using a potato peeler. If you have a small sized banana, then slicing them into long strips is the best method. Round shapes works best if the banana has large circumference. Fry the banana slices in low heat. After it turns golden brown, lift it up and place them on paper towel to drain out any excess oil. Secret number 3 is sugar coating. This sugar transformation promises an irresistible added crunch to your chips. In a non-stick pan, add 6 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water and half a teaspoon of salt. Cook it until it's boiling and the sugar has dissolved. Once the sugar comes to a boil, gently add the banana slice to the bubbling syrup. This quantity is enough to coat 500 grams of banana chips. If you are making less than half the quantity is enough. Switch off the heat when you no longer see any watery bubbles at the bottom of the pan. Secret guide number 4. Keep 5 minutes pre-baking session in the oven. This little trick sets the stage for that epic crunch we're aiming for. Transfer the sugar-coated banana chips onto a baking sheet and cover them with baking paper. Once they are out of the oven, let them cool for a bit. The sugar coating will harden, giving them that irresistible crunch. And there you have it, a delicious super crispy sweet banana chips. Watch next, our other chip snacks.
Subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.